Hey guys, this is Caleb Gibbs with Gibbs Outdoor, and today we're going to be going over the 2252 MD. To start off with, you have your pass-through storage with fishing pole holders, also solar. Coming up to the back, you have your electric awning with awning lights and a huge window to the exterior that you can't see through from the outside. Let's go check out that inside. Starting off in the living area, we've got our couch that'll turn into a recliner. We've got our dinette booth that'll turn into a bed for a +1. It's pretty sizable. I'm actually comfortable sitting here, which is very nice. We've got our entertainment area up here with the radio station in that left cabinet and a wireless charger. We've got our deep pantry space in here, which is awesome to have. Put plenty of food in there. You've got your 12-volt fridge. Again, deep storage. We got more extra storage up here. You have your stove and your grill top here with three burners. You have your bathroom area back here with a good sized shower with nice space. Again, I'm 6'2", and being able to stand inside this shower is super nice. I'm able to actually wash off and do what I need to do. Your sink area, and then your rear kitchen area. This has plenty of countertop space to do everything you need to do to cook while you're on a camping trip. Shh, don't come back here. This is the bedroom area. Look at this space and storage. You actually have dividers, being able to put your clothes and separate it. Keep yourself organized on your camping trip. That way you're not losing track of everything. You've got your laundry basket, tons of storage on each side. It is one of the coolest things, and I bet you've never seen this on any other camper. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any other questions, contact us on Facebook, Instagram, or our website right here.